Into this video how to recover deleted photos on Facebook. Launch Facebook app and tap on three lines menu icon at the bottom right or top right. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and scroll down to section titled Your Facebook Information. Tap on Download your information. Scroll down and check Photos and Videos. Note that you need to select both to get your photos. If you know date range when photos were taken, it's helpful to specify it to reduce amount of data you will need to sort through. Scroll down to Data Range and set start and end dates. Select media quality, high, medium or low based on your preference, and choose file format, HTML or JSON. Scroll down and tap on Create File. Your request will now be pending. It may take up to 24 hours for Facebook to compile your information. Then you will receive a notification once your file is ready to download. Once file is ready, Facebook will provide a link to download your data. Click on that link and download file. Open downloaded file to find and recover photos.